this is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. People always want to know what I feed me and the family. So today we had roast potato, and what I did was I added herbs and garlic, rubbed it all around, and I put it in the oven and roasted it. Very delicious. Then I made falafel, which I'll do a recipe for that soon. That's what we had today. This is what it looks like. This is what the boys had today. I had lots more vegetables with it. I'm trying to introduce cucumber and all that kind of stuff into their lives. Good things are happening. I'm still waiting for my single. And Neville from 2B3, my producer, he keeps sending me teasers of what the single will sound like. And this is what he sent me so far.
I do that, I do that, I do that, I do that, I do that now. I do that, I do that, I do that, I do that now.
And finally guys, great news, it's my birthday. Yes, I'm 21 today. No? Alright, I'm 25 today. No, alright, 30 today. I am 30 today. Okay, it's just my birthday. Your present to me, don't forget to like, comment, go to my YouTube, subscribe, find my JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum fan page on Facebook and join up, and I'll be the happiest. It'll be like the best birthday. Like, I'm having a lovely day. You have a lovely day too. I will see you next time, and stay blessed.
Rainbow